Hi, this is James. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a scoreboard.
To add a scoreboard to our world scene, go ahead and create a new scene. Click on Other node, search for Canvas, select Canvas layer, click on Create. Use the plus button to add a label. Select Label, click on Create. Let's rename the canvas layer to Scoreboard. And let's rename the label to Score. In the label properties, we can see a text box. Let's put in a default value of 0. Now that we have a default value, let's go ahead and make this scoreboard a little bigger. You can click and drag on the dots on the screen to make it bigger. Once we made it sufficiently bigger, let's make sure it's in the center top. To do so, click on the layout and select center top. That will center the box. Now go into the score properties once more and select the align and change it to center. Similarly, change V align to center. Now we can see that the score, which is default set to 0, is appearing in the middle of the screen. At this point, let's go ahead and save the scene. We'll leave the name as scoreboard.tscn and click on save. To make it appear on the world scene, let's go to the world scene and use the instance child scene button. Scroll all the way down, select scoreboard.tscn and open. So now it should appear on the game window. Let's play the game. We see that the score is appearing in the game. However, it's appearing very small. Let's go ahead and make that score text much bigger. Go back to the scoreboard scene. To make the score bigger, we need to add a font. However, Godot by default does not have an option of a different font. Font files should be imported as a .tff or a .otf file. There are so many websites where you can get the fonts for free. I already have a font downloaded and in my fonts folder. So make sure you have score selected. Go into the properties in the inspector tab. Scroll down to find theme override. In theme override, select fonts. We can see that the font is empty. Click on the down arrow and select new dynamic font. Once you select the new dynamic font, click on the dynamic font, which will give us more options. Click on font. Again, it says empty. So go into your file system, click on the font that you want to appear here, drag it all the way into the font data column. Now you can see that instantly our font is appearing different than it used to. But I want to make it bigger. So I'm going into the settings and in size, I'm going to use the up arrow to increase the size. You can see that the size is increasing as I am clicking the up arrow and increasing the value in there. 46 seems to be a good size. Let's go and save our progress so far. Go into the world scene and play the game. Here we can see that the font is appearing in much bigger text, which is easier to read. I hope this video helped you add a scoreboard to your game. In the next video, we will see how to use programming to make the scores change while we are playing the game.